Okay, this is going to be a little video that I promised about cutting Reborn rooted hair. Always wet your baby's hair first. It's much easier for cleanup that way. And I'm going to do this, normally I would be doing it this way, but since I'm showing you, I'm going to kind of turn it upside down and give it a little twist here and show you this is what I do. I take some of that hair, put it between my fingers, then I comb a little further, more hair, again between the fingers and trim, and you just continue on this way until you have the entire head of hair trimmed. I'm going to push some this way and then bring it up, and again between the fingers, and here you can kind of see there's a few extra hairs here. Actually, what I did, being this is my first video, was I got it all taped and I accidentally deleted it. So I'm actually cutting a little bit less hair since this is the second time. All right, and then we get all the way around the head here, and that's finished. Now on this baby, I'm just doing the back only because I personally like to trim this as I go. It's just easier for me to really get some of the hair out of the way. As you can see, this very lower part has a lot of extra stragglers, but I want the lower part a little longer. I kind of like to have that little baby curl at the bottom of the neck. So I don't take as much off when I get about 2/3 of the way down. Okay, so here's what I end up with on the very bottom. And one of the trimming lines that I use sometimes, I'll brush it all down and then I'll go right along the line of the neck, and it's just like it was made for this, even though we know it wasn't. And there we go. All right, the back of little Kiki's head is all trimmed now. Now, if you want to go for an even nicer, really good trim, you can do it also the other direction. You can first go this way around the back, doing that trim, and then you can go ahead and go up the back and just trim the same way, only you're going the up and down direction because you'll get a few little stragglers until you get it all done, and then you have a very, very nice even head of hair. So that's the back of little Kiki's head, and it looks nice and even. Now as I go along here and do more rooting, of course I'll do more trimming. So this baby has a real full head of hair, which is what the mommy wanted. So I will come back and show you the rest of the trimming, and then you should be on your way to doing a nice cut. I'll show you how some of the other parts of the hair you might want to have a little longer. So that's it for now. I'll be back.